how are you? Canon invited me to join the Pixmakers challenge, so I'm going to create a feather mobile using the Canon Pixma printer for my daughter's bedroom. I found the tutorial and the Canva on Canon Creative Park. Here we go!
To make this tutorial, you will need a Canon printer, double-sided matte paper, a pair of scissors, a ruler, a pencil, some string, liquid glue, and small sequins. First, go to Creative Park to download the canvas and print them directly in color on the double-sided matte paper. Then you cut the feathers and fold it in half using the ruler to fold straight. You cut out the shape of the feather, and when you open it, you have two parts. Repeat this as many times as you have feathers. With the help of your child, or not, apply a little bit of glue on the colored part of the feather and sprinkle some glitter if you want to add a bit of a sparkle. To create the mobile itself, cut a little string of different size according to the feathers and staple it inside the feather. Reproduce this as many times as you have feathers, and there you go!
Now it's your turn! What will you make with the Canon Pixma printer? Share your creation on Instagram using the Made with Pixma hashtag and also tag me and Canon France. Bye bye!